How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. As WhatsApp is now owned by Meta, in order to get WhatsApp Meta AI, firstly make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp, and if not, then go ahead and update your WhatsApp application. Now, go ahead and open WhatsApp and further open anyone conversation and tap on the message box and type in @Meta AI. Now what this does is it shows you the option to access the Meta AI chatbot on your specific WhatsApp chat, and also send some prompts and use the AI software depending on what you want. And if you cannot see this on your WhatsApp application, then you do need to be aware that WhatsApp only periodically rolls out this update on several devices and selected users, also on selected countries. So if your country does not have this option just yet, all that you can do is do the waiting game until this is available for you on your device on your location. You can also go ahead and open the App Store and keep updating your WhatsApp application in order to see if you have the Meta AI available for you or not. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.